Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. I can't wait to take this off. I'm gonna be using the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse to help me out with this today. I'm gonna begin by removing the eyes. Now the bald cap. Gonna grab some of the pre-cleanse. Oh, can't forget the eyelashes. Now let's get into it. I love using this stuff to remove any heavy makeup looks because it removes any waterproof product, cream product, even like the glue that I'm wearing that's really strong. So effortless. I love this product. Like, it removes everything so fast. That took 5 minutes. And it's available at Sephora, so run and get some right now, bestie.
Alright, it's been like 6 hours. I've spit out my body weight in fake blood. I'm taking this off. I hope this is satisfying. Yeah, I did actually pin this in there, but it's all good. It's all good. It's just tissue. Oh my god, I can see. Does anyone know if this stuff is like toxic? Because I definitely drank like a lot of it.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Let's take this off. Ow. Officially one of my favorite looks I've ever done. I'm so scared that I didn't finish all my TikToks. No going back now. Basically bathing in cleansing oil. I don't know why I keep getting in my mouth. I'm gonna go rinse off in the sink really quick. Inside of the nose. I give up trying to use the sink. It's everywhere. I'm just gonna go shower. Bye.
What's up, guys? Take my makeup off with me. So here we have like a scarecrow idea. It probably only took me maybe 2 hours, I think. It took me a little minute to glue this all on, so let's take this off. Since Halloween is approaching, I do want to know what you guys are going to be for Halloween. Oh my god, wait. And guys, I'm so close to winning the cash prize competition on Instagram. So if you want to help me win, just make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is Deshaun Moon. It's in my bio, to help me win the Halloween competition, because y'all know I deserve it. It's really easy. Only thing you have to do is just follow me on Instagram. And make sure y'all just liking my picture. Turn on my notifications too, because the person with the highest like picture on Halloween will be the winner. So I want to make sure that I win. Ooh. Drop the word moon in the comments if you made it to the end of the video for a follow back. Love you guys. Let's see who made it to the end of the video.
Take off my makeup with me. Oh. Ew. Ew, but look how gross they are. Why did I do so many pieces?
I want this off of me. Ow. What is happening? Oh, wow. Oh, this is too much for me. I don't understand. I don't know what's what. Ah. Oh, I can see. I'm just gonna have some water at this point. Huh. Ooh. Ew. Oh, my piercings. My hair. My hair. Ah. This is terrifying. Oh, so much hair. You know what? I can't do this anymore. I think I'm just gonna take a shower.
Take my Halloween makeup off. Take my Halloween makeup off of me. This look probably only took me maybe like an hour and 30 minutes, and I have a really big favor to ask you guys, so let's take off the context first. First, you know everything used is from an SFX kit in my bio. Y'all already know that. So let's take that out. Oof, feeling better. We're gonna take off the beard now. So y'all know I love Halloween, so ooh. Wow. I'm entering inside this Halloween competition on Instagram. But I need y'all to help me out on Instagram because it's a competition with who Instagram photo get the most likes. So I need everybody to go follow me on Instagram at Deshaun Moon. Ooh, wow. I'm very passionate about my makeup, so I would love you guys' support in helping me win. My Instagram is inside my TikTok bio, Deshaun Moon. Comment if you made it to the end of the video for a follow back. I'm gonna go wipe this off. Love you.
Take off my makeup with me, Venom edition. I really don't want to take this off because I actually love it. Just a little disclaimer, you're probably not meant to take it off like this, but I just want to get it off as quick as I can. I'm just going to like peel it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, that's mad. My hair is literally rock solid on this side from hairspray. I really don't know how to go about getting the gelatin off my body because I think it's going to take ages. I'm trying to just peel it, but it really hurts, so I think I'm going to use micellar water. The micellar water's working, but it still hurts. This is awful. I resorted to the towel because I'm lazy. So I think I got all the gelatin off. Look how red I am, but I'm going to go take the rest of the face makeup off and then
Take
Tiptoe through the window, by the window, that's where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me.
Taking this ish right the F word off. Finally I can breathe again. Now these teeth. Wait a minute. They're really jammed in there. Oh my god. Wait a minute. I really can't get them off.
Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is?
It is time to take these off again.
Good job. You're doing great. I just know how much you love ripping off liquid latex from your skin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Can I pull the teeth out, though? I don't think so.
Can I?
Nice. Do you want to just, like, rip off the smile at the same time?
I need to.
Okay, ready to scream in 3, 2, 1. I can't. I just look stuck. You got it. Do you need help? No. Think of it like waxing. It's just skincare.
No, it's not.
3, 2, 1. Ah! You got it. Good job. High five. Nice. All right, we still have some pieces left. Ah! Fast, fast. Nice. And we just know how much you guys love nightmare fuel. And just like that, we are mostly clean. We still need to go shower. But have a good day.
Alright, time to take all this makeup off. The tutorial of how I made this crown is already posted. Let's get to it, shall we? Today I'm going to be removing this look with Dermalogica's Pre-Cleanse and Special Cleansing Gel. Let's put it to the test. I got a little bit of the pre-cleanse on my hands. Let's start melting away all this. Ugh, bye hard work. This oil is putting in work, baby. Let's see how it did. Okay. I'm pretty impressed. Onto the face. A little bit more product. Let's roll, baby. Wow. Now the cleansing gel. I'm gonna go rinse this off with warm water. No trace of makeup. And my skin feels amazing. The most iconic duo.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This was SCP-106, also known as the Old Man. I used the gelatin life hack for this, and this is the weirdest thing I've had on my body, and I've had a lot of weird things. It's not coming out right. You know what I mean. I genuinely have no idea how to take this off. This has taken forever. Taking my contacts out? I've been wanting to yank this thing pretty much ever since I put it on. Let's do it. This stuff comes off so weirdly. Like, it's solid in some places. And then in the others, it's literal just gelatin. Anyways, let's do the smile. Oh, it's not too bad. I take that back. Can't stop there, though. I forgot about that part. Okay, we're almost there. I'll clean now.
What's up, y'all? Take my voodoo makeup off with me. I could barely even talk or see, so let's hurry up and get this off. It might come off as in one, but let's just see anyway. This look only took me probably around like 2 hours. It really didn't take me that long. Took the toothpicks out. A lot of y'all have been asking me, like, what am I going to be for Halloween? And I honestly don't know. That's why I be telling y'all to comment what y'all going to be for Halloween so I can get some ideas. So comment what you're going to be for Halloween right now. I'm honestly thinking about being like the Grim Reaper. Woo. Or maybe like a Playboy or something. I'm not really sure. I look crazy. But no, seriously, October is flying by in like 5 seconds. Who else agreed that October is just like flying by real fast? I think October and September was like the fastest 2 months. That was satisfying to take off. I'm gonna hop in the shower, wipe the rest of this off. Love you guys.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank god. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean.